Fear and tension gripped the Jampuijala area late Saturday night following a violent attack on the local Tipra Motha Party office. Unidentified miscreants reportedly targeted the office with gunfire and explosives, leaving one party worker injured. According to local reports, the attack was carried out by a group of 4 to 5 masked individuals who used the cover of darkness to launch the assault. The attackers reportedly opened fire, discharging approximately 8 rounds of bullets and lobbed a bomb at the party facility. During the chaos, one individual was shot in the leg. The incident follows a series of recent clashes and attacks on the political workers in the Jampuijala district ahead of the crucial TTADC elections. Tipra Motha leaders have condemned the attack, calling it a cowardly attempt to intimidate the indigenous voices, and have demanded the immediate arrest of those involved.
Bom kitar ka, bom koja padir kan ini, pada saya kitar fine, kata betul. Neng kapa jaga tong mana pro?
Oro yang hati ini sementara.
Hati ini jam.
Hati ini yang orang gari di sana sangat.
Payment ta. Mungkin neng party episode kita hanya payment.
Orang kakak orang ano. Mana kasih ketaruh itu, sintaran itu ketaruh, honor ketaruh itu kono rina
langsung kata. Ini para ke? Falto. Ini para bro? Gurdelo. Ini ke bom kita zaman ya kalau, ya kong dumang ha. Ini bom?
The victim was immediately rushed to the local hospital and later transferred for specialist treatment. His condition is currently reported to be stable but under observation.
Mereka bini condition bahaya.
Kasih jualan ke stable no.
Stable no.
Orang jangan mana ya gula hingga stable no. Bini pressure itu normal no apa tu. Kita nak je nak mana medicine macam ni juga. Saya nak beli apa.
Bom tahu bini?
Bini bom kan ke awak terpernah bini kajian ni bom ke lalu hendak bom.
Kami bro.
Bini kami ke Jampuijala.
Witnesses at the scene described a terrifying atmosphere as the sound of gunshots and the bomb blast echoed through the neighborhood. Bureau report, Chini, Khorang.